Lindsay Rhymes here. Thanks for joining us back at our YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you guys how to make my homemade eyelash serum. I have tried many eyelash serums over the decades. When I had my sales firm, I was involved in a lot of product trying and use so that I could develop pitches and train sales reps, and skincare was one of our biggest clients for over 13 years. I had that company. So I'm very familiar with a lot of different brands in terms of eyelash serum. I've had some that I've paid a lot of money for, some that I've paid a little bit of money for, some that have worked, some that haven't, some that have given me sensitivities. I do have really sensitive skin. So I did have a brand that I was using that I really liked, although it was a little bit expensive, and I wasn't 100% satisfied because I knew that it wasn't fully organic and natural. And so I was on the lookout for something that I could do myself that was relatively easy to do, inexpensive, but also worked. So I have been using this for the past 6 months. Oops. I actually Googled online DIY eyelash serum, and I followed one of the recipes online. I kind of made it a little bit my own, and I really like this. My eyelashes have been growing really well. Also my eyebrows. Naturally I have light brown, kind of dirty blonde hair, and so even if I have hair on my eyebrows, historically you really can't see it very well. So they're actually growing in really nicely for the first time in my life, which is amazing because I'm 36 years old and I finally have eyebrows. Yay! Most of this stuff I got on Amazon other than the oils. So this tube here came empty. It came with a box of like, I don't know how many, but I made this for a friend. We made one for my stepdaughter. She loves it. So these tubes can be useful. They're great to have around. So I got those on Amazon. I got organic castor oil on Amazon as well. I do a lot of shopping on Amazon just for convenience factor. And that's what the castor oil looks like. And then the oils that I'm using today are Young Living oils. I am a Young Living oil rep. Not so much because I pursue it as a career, but just because I feel comfortable with the oils. They're good quality, and anything that I'm going to put on my skin or diffuse into the air in my home, it's really important to me that I know the quality and the purity of the products. We are almost 100% chemical-free home. We very rarely use chemicals in the home. So this is important to me. So the scents that I'm using today is going to be lavender and cedarwood. And this whole process is so quick and so easy. You take your empty eyelash serum bottle and you unscrew it and you take your little guy out right here. And the first thing that I do, this one is obviously full right now, but the first thing that I do is I put 2 drops of each oil in. Then I fill with the castor oil, probably like up until right about there. You don't want to overfill it. And then I put 2 more drops of lavender and 2 more drops of cedarwood, and I pop this baby back in. And you can see when you pop it in, it goes up pretty high. Okay, so that's why I don't overfill it, because I don't want the bottle overflowing. And then I just kind of like mix it and shake it around a little bit. Mix it up so the oil gets dispersed within the liquid. And then this I do every single night. When I pull it out of the bottle, I just kind of rake over it like this so I don't have too much liquid, and the excess liquid is going back into this bottle. And then I just put it on my eyelashes like that. And I do this every single night, probably about like 30 minutes before I go to bed. And it does not feel great if you get the liquid into your eyes. And that's one of the reasons why I rake the excess liquid off. The other reason is because you preserve more of the product, so it's gonna last longer. So I just put it on like that. It's clear. You really can't tell that somebody has it on the eyelashes. Of course, if you're gonna do the eyebrows, you're gonna see that a little bit more. So if you get up close and personal, you'll be like, what is on that girl's eyebrows? So I just do this every night, and it's actually increased the growth. So the length for sure is definitely helping. The thickness I've noticed on my eyelashes as well. And I am gonna shoot to a photo now so you can see um, the results from my eyelashes. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Definitely give this a try. Make sure you do it consistently every night for at least 3 to 4 weeks. It does take some time to start seeing the results, so you're gonna wanna be consistent with it. And like and share if you like, and definitely give me some feedback about how this worked for you. It also smells really good, so that's a benefit. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you soon.